Owning a hybrid camper allows you to embark on exciting adventures while enjoying the comforts of a home away from home. To ensure that your hybrid camper stays in top shape and continues to provide you with memorable camping experiences, proper maintenance is essential. By following these essential tips, you can keep your hybrid camper in excellent condition and extend its lifespan. 1. Regular cleaning. Keeping your hybrid camper clean is not only important for aesthetics but also for preventing damage and maintaining its value. Regularly wash the exterior using mild soap and water, paying attention to areas prone to dirt and grime buildup. Clean the interior thoroughly, including floors, countertops, upholstery, and windows. Regular cleaning will help prevent stains, mold, and unpleasant odors. 2. Inspect seals and roof. Inspect the seals around windows, doors, and slide-outs to ensure they are intact and in good condition. Damaged or deteriorated seals can lead to water leaks, which can cause extensive damage to the interior of your camper. Additionally, check the roof for any signs of wear, cracks, or loose seals. If necessary, apply a roof sealant or have a professional inspect and repair any issues. 3. Check and maintain the electrical system. Regularly inspect the electrical system of your hybrid camper to ensure it's functioning properly. Check the battery and connections, clean terminals if needed, and replace old batteries when necessary. Test all lights, outlets, and appliances to ensure they are working correctly. It's also a good idea to carry spare fuses and bulbs for quick replacements during your camping trips. 4. Service and maintain the plumbing system. Proper maintenance of the plumbing system is essential for a functional and hassle-free camping experience. Regularly inspect pipes, fittings, and connections for leaks or damage. Check the water pump, faucets, and toilet for any issues and address them promptly. Flush and clean the holding tanks regularly to prevent buildup and odors. Use RV-friendly antifreeze when winterizing your camper to protect the plumbing system during colder months. 5. Care for the battery and propane system. If your hybrid camper has a battery and propane system, it's crucial to care for them properly. Ensure the battery is fully charged before each trip and periodically check the water levels if it's a lead-acid battery. Clean the battery terminals to prevent corrosion. For the propane system, inspect the tank connections and hoses for any leaks or damage. If you detect a propane leak, seek professional assistance immediately. 6. Lubricate moving parts. Regularly lubricate moving parts such as hinges, locks, slide-outs, and leveling jacks to prevent rust and ensure smooth operation. Use a silicone-based lubricant or a recommended lubricant for specific parts. This will help extend the lifespan of these components and prevent unnecessary wear and tear. 7. Tire maintenance. Proper tire maintenance is crucial for safety and optimal performance. Regularly inspect the tires for signs of wear, bulges, or cracks. Check the tire pressure before each trip and adjust it according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Rotate the tires periodically to promote even wear. Additionally, store your camper with the tires properly inflated and protected from excessive sunlight to prevent premature deterioration. 8. Store your hybrid camper properly. When not in use, proper storage is essential for maintaining your hybrid camper. Find a suitable storage location that provides protection from the elements, such as UV rays, extreme temperatures, and moisture. If storing your camper outdoors, use a breathable cover to protect it from debris and direct sunlight. Before storing, thoroughly clean and dry the interior to prevent mold and mildew growth. 9. Follow manufacturer's maintenance schedule. Lastly, it's essential to refer to your hybrid camper's owner's manual and follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule. The manual will provide specific guidelines for maintenance tasks, including servicing appliances, inspecting safety systems, and checking suspension components. Adhering to the recommended schedule will help you catch potential issues early and keep your camper in optimal condition. By implementing these essential maintenance tips, you can ensure that your hybrid camper remains in top shape, providing you with many years of enjoyable camping experiences. Regular maintenance not only enhances your safety and comfort but also helps protect your investment in the long run. So, prioritize your hybrid camper's maintenance and get ready to embark on countless adventures with peace of mind.
Welcome to the Happy Hybrid Camper podcast.